Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I'm walking you through the process of hosting your front-end website for free using GitHub Pages. To start off, I have a repository here containing three basic files I'm going to show you. So if you just scroll down right here, as you can see here, it has an HTML file, a CSS file, and here is a JavaScript file. If you look at the repository breakdown, you'll notice the project is mostly CSS with a bit of HTML. Now to get this live, first we're going to head over to settings by scrolling up. So I'm going to navigate to the settings tab right here at the top of your repository, and then from there you're going to look at the sidebar on the left, and then you're going to try and find code and automation. So this is the code and automation section. And then from there, you are going to try and click on pages. Now under the build and deployment section right here, you will need to select the specific branch you want to use. So since my code is on the main branch, I will select that. I am going to head over to this branch right here, and then we're going to select main. And then we're going to keep the folder set to root unless you've tucked your code away inside a specific subfolder. Now, once that's set, you're gonna go ahead and hit on save. But if you can just clear it right here. And then from there, you can head back to your main code tab right here at the top, and then you will see a small icon near the top right here. It says here pending. So by clicking that and selecting details, it will let you watch the progress as GitHub builds and deploys your site in the background. Now, once those check marks turn green right here, then you can return to the Pages menu under Settings by clicking on the Settings tab once again, and then we're going to head over to Pages again, and then you should see a notification that your site is live right here, and along with a custom URL. Now, you can click on Visit Site to see your project in action. So this link is public, so you can share it with anyone. If you ever need to take the site down, you can just click on the three dots next to your deployment URL in the page settings, and then select unpublished site right there. And that's it. That is how you can do a personal website on GitHub. Now, this allows you to create or to design your very own, but for this one, we are actually just using a template. But once you have it, once you fully grasp the or like have an understanding of how it works, then it will be a lot easier for you. And that's it. That is once again how you can create a personal website on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. But before I go, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. As you can see, it's looking very empty right now just because it's not done processing it just yet. But once you're done processing, then it will start to appear here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.